heist up in the air, you know. And when it come back down, boom! I saw me drop on my face, you know, my fam.
You did ugly. But me never care, you know.
So yeah, I know on the see title, you know. And I said, but wait, you join the disabled? Yeah man, partially disabled. And probably after me explain it, persons will agree, while others won't. Alright, well I start from the start. How old I was and does it still affect me? I was around, I'm gonna say, ballpark it to around 8 or 9 years old. Like basically the age that my firstborn is right now. Cause me start out young, you know. You see what I say? Yeah man, me I pull up in one place down here so it look like you can go up on the bridge and walk out the place. I grew up as a little youth where I don't see nothing I could do. The only thing I could do see it there, I swim. Yeah man. That's the only thing me could do as a little youth, and I swim. You see me? So if you're in a community, you know. So you come on to marble, kite, bicycle, bush cooking, hence maritime cooking, gun war, what you call it? Climb tree, shoot bird. I made that man. Me do it all. You see me? Me had a little youth the way. Everybody blood clean and flyer. Everybody and me them come a link. You see me I say? In a marble time, in a kite time, in a backstroke time, the whole 9 yards I can do it. Raise bird, the whole 9 yards, me do the whole thing then. You see me? I was very good on bicycle. Used to borrow my friend them bicycle, ride them bicycle, and them little way there. You see me? Cause never have no bicycle, so I'm a friend them bicycle. You know, you pay a friend them a little $1, then give you a ride. We live in a scheme, so it's like a circle. So that you give them all $5 and you get to ride on a scheme or something like that. You see me I say? Or some man, sometimes if you have a close friend, they will lend them bicycle and you can ride it. As I say, sometimes a friend will lend you a bicycle and you could ride it and them thing there around the scheme. So at them time they will develop ride. I'm going to tell you about ride bicycle, you know, man. I not talk about no boy thing. We ride bicycle, we have no brakes pan, you know. In my scheme, we have top housing and bottom housing. Bottom mountain is a steep hill, so sometimes I ride off of this, so I will look slippers, and push two slippers, and we are use, you know, and hold on for the back of the bicycle wheel, you know, and that we are use as brakes. My brethren them in the comment section, if they know them, know, man. Or if you're out in a Jamaica, you know, or in a Caribbean, you use them lifestyle, comment and make me know. You see me, I say, yeah. So, that's how we used to run it sometimes when I'm on a break. You see me? Because sometimes we all build a bicycle too, you know. Yeah, man, we get the frame and we buy the rims and the tire and we build them up and we buy a little brake and them things. That's how we used to run it. You see me? Hold on, my daughter, they call a place the Garden of Human Rights. Out look nice, you know. Yeah, man, then just not too long open it up. And so I say you can walk around them place there. Do it now, show them have like a little bathroom style them. You see me, I say bicycle stand, you can put a bicycle. Kids them can come and run up and down. You look nice, well up a bench. And I can see this being a place for like karaoke or concerts. You see me? I can see this. Or even public speaking. Them man look nice out there. See the benches them. You can tell when them places start beer up with the fruits, simple fruits. With the flowers and things, it go look nice. Well up a bench. So as I say, they have this the podium. Look like them are gonna use this for like concerts or meetings for the community. Stuff like that. It looks very good. Probably they may have the lights they may come on at night. If me do it long enough, we show you what I go on. But yeah. So that is it, man. Outside look nice and clean. But I can find a seat and go and chat to you. I hold a seat for the front row. I know I'm not going back in. Front row the thing, then I go grab a seat and then we can do more walking. You see me? Remember one night, you know, me and my brothers, we used to have to rent bicycle from our bridging them, or sometimes get a little ride off for bridging them bicycle, but never have none of our own. And my father, one night, come in, about after 10, 12 when we almost go to bed. And to a few yard set up, we have like a little window. The window they are the one them we make out a metal plate or the glass one them where you just wind it up or you pull it and it open up in a different little glass section, or the metal one them where you just wind up. So them type of window that we have, you see me? So remember my father come and put on the bicycle right our room, man, catch it up out of doing, and he said, no, can't go out there tonight. I tell you, say anxiety that mad doing at the house, me and my big brother. And remember our father saying, fine, like I want a second-hand bicycle. It's not a brand new bicycle, It's a second-hand bicycle my father buy, and he goes so boom. And he never had no brake and none of them things upon it. And he carry him backside. See the breeze come and lick me, man. I open a affect my hard, man. Cause I left the wind thing. And my father carried the bicycle, and I tell you, we couldn't wait till morning light. Remember, it was a black bicycle and he parked it up out the door. Remember, I had the smaller one to my big brother, so I'm going to take charge of this bicycle. You see me? Go so boom now as morning light. I tell you about them 5:30 then, I say silicon light, boom. Everybody run gone out the door, Meaning me and my big brother. And we see the bicycle and have no brake on it too tough, but as I say, we grow rough. So we ride bicycle, slippers we are using and whole brake. When you do the whole brake on your slippers, slippers bottom burn out or your shoes bottom, Yeah, man. Or sometimes you get one plastic buckle and put it at the back and just step on the plastic buckle to slow down your bicycle. So we learn to ride now. What the safety precautions and them thing there. You see me? Boom now. Now my brother, as we say, we live in one scheme, so we go to the road and we start ride, so I take turns. Him ride growing the scheme, him give me ride growing the scheme, and so we used to beat the bicycle. You see what I say? But sometimes through him bigger than me, he would take a couple turns well or in growing the scheme, and we have when you grow in the circle, we have one place we call up a top shop. He would go up on a hill and come down the hill and go back and forth, so come all the way if you come back a full yard and get extra turns off of the bicycle. Remember, I know you. Remember. You see me? So boom, now as I say, that's my skills develop, and people that see me in my scheme and know say me a top rider. You see me can no we are hard man, when they say them things then they say the wines. But we are top bicycle rider. You see me I say? Yeah man. And me remember me have a neighbor. One day then go so boom. And it's like my neighbor, him about 2 years younger than me, His mother go so boom. And say, I must see, I remember which one of parents them link me, but they link me because they know so me can ride bicycle. Good, you see me? So they say, yo, you can't teach your son how to ride and thing. And I say, yo, no problem, man, because I remember, I'm a big rider and I ski, you see me? And the little youth come like one of his cousin did dead, and he get back, he get the bicycle for the little youth. And everybody I say, oh, me not would ride a bicycle because I want a little boy dead and little boy go to come back for him bicycle and them thing there. And I said, sure. That's a girl thing, man. You see me? Anyway, it was a Sunday, I go so boom now, and because them been ask me, can teach local youth for ride. I say, no problem. On Sunday come now, my mother gonna on the road gonna look for her friend. My father, they work as per usual, because the man they work 7 days a week, You see me? My bicycle, this a fast forward, that bicycle they could probably mash up and all. So I don't really on a bicycle. And if me teach local youth how to ride, I can borrow for them bicycle and ride more and more ride a bicycle. So I get benefits out of this bicycle, you see me? So on Sunday, I decide, say, all right, watch out now, I go teach you look youth how to ride, And field yard now was just the driveway, so there's no much space to ride. And through me, I teach him to ride, I can't carry me in the scheme, because the scheme, if you know scheme set up in Jamaica, typically the road them little bit busy, so you can't carry a little youth to go teach him to ride on the busy road. So there was a next person living beside him, which is his neighbor, not my neighbor. So throw away the 3 houses in a row. And there was this big pit. You see me I say for overseas, so then call it. Right? And it come like that podium, yeah? You see how that podium look? And it rise up off of the ground. I saw the pit the tall, So the pit then at the front of the yard and it tall. You see me I say? So this now I carry the youth because the yard front they big. I say I carry the youth and I teach him how to ride. I show him how to pedal, how to balance the bicycle and them things there. You see me? So now, after me I teach him how to ride, I don't know. I want to ride the bicycle too. So I show him how I pedal and anything. I go up on the bicycle and I tell you there was a big pit in the front of the yard, a big round pit. So Me I ride round and round in a circle and you see me? Bust. I know you're a little pitney and ride round and round in a circle, but you know when you spin, what happen to you? You get dizzy. So me go so boom, cause me I ride around in a circle fast, and me get dizzy. You see me when me get dizzy now, the bicycle run off of the edge because when me see the place set up like this, You set up like that place there, So when you run off of the edge now, so me have a little height off of the ground. And it bump on the front wheel in the bicycle, bump on the front wheel, and I still left on the bicycle, high up in the air, And when it come back down, boom! I saw me drop on my face, my fam. You see me? Drop on my face, and remember me just get up and look left and right, confused, and just run. Me skip over that anybody wall, then me skip over the next one, and just run and go in, and me also just wrap up in my bed and start bawling, man. Lone bawling, because I tell you. When my daddy come from work before my mother now, because my mother did up on the road with her friends. My father come from work and I tell my father, he see me come and see me in the room and ball and say, what happened to you? Because my father was the type of father. Yeah, bally business, you see me? That's why I try to grow my them different. I love my father and grow rough certain way, which was good and bad, because sometimes when the thing's serious, he never take it too serious. I say, what happened to you? I tell him, I drop off a bicycle and my head hot me. You see me? And I say, yo, go along in bed, when you got people here, they say, yo, they never send you nowhere and them little behavior there. Not even that check pan you too tough. You see me? And I say, John, oh, the day me a ball, and mommy come and, you see me, I'm telling me story and say, yo, me drop on my face, but me I tell you, say, loan pain, my fam. Me under loan pain. You see me, that was a Sunday, remember me tell you. So the Monday now, mommy forgot work. So she have a friend. Them time they big up yourself, Julie. Yeah, man, mommy friend, man. Me not forget nothing. She did live in our scheme, but more so like a back road part of the scheme. So my mother carry me now and ask her if she could have keep me the Monday because my mother forgot work and me still a ball me in a pain. You see me I say? And my father now take it serious because he say nothing wrong with me and when me take up myself going to people yard for. Tell him, say, I teach you, look at you to ride bicycle and a bag of thing. Anyway, the Monday come, me there my mother friend yard and I just be asleep, me asleep too, me just mash up. You see me? But midday so forward now, she call my mother and say, no man, Pauline, we have to go carry him to a doctor. You see me, I say, mommy, I want to say, hold on face swell up, man, I have to go carry him to a doctor. You see me? Boom. She carry me to a doctor and she end up carrying me to a doctor because mommy there at work. When Julie carry me to a doctor down a man devil, they say, immediately the people them admit me in my fam. Immediately. Because what? The bone right under me eye, right? That's a man crack or broke or I don't know what you call it. You see me? So remember me there in a primary school now and I admitted. First time I admitted in a hospital them time there I believe or so. Or the second time, but me get admitted to Mandeville. And if you know how Jamaica set up a recently start learning these things, you have type A, B and C hospital. So Mandeville things a man when Mandeville do Kingston, things a Mandeville don't do Kingston that do it, you see me? And I don't remember if I think an ambulance and take and bring me to Kingston, KPH or so. Kingston or the kids, the children's hospital in carry me to town the next day. You see me? When me get shipped at town, they admit me and me have to do the first surgery. Now the first surgery was done underneath me eye, right? Yeah, so you see me? I don't know if you can see the scar in the car. As I say, this are over 20 odd years now. There's like a scar and then cut underneath the eye. Go on, under, to access the bone, right? Yeah, so. You see me? Then go on and then get one like a thin metal thing or something to put to hold the bone so that my face no bulge out and them thing there. And I think me there at Kingston for about a month admitted. Throughout them time there, you know mommy I fear skip work and I come at town, come look for me and say that lady always got my back from me and look at you thing. No. Remember some of the time my mommy come to hospital, I cheer she a fear sleep on in my fam. I think I go add her to part of the story so she can tell you for her reaction. Because some of the time, me dey out of it, you see me? She can tell you for her reaction and them little thing there when me dey in a hospital as a little youth. You see me? Remember mommy used to come and them thing they come look for me. Sometimes in sleep at the hospital. Every single day mommy I come look for me. No work in go. Remember one Sunday about the second week after being there, my father come. Can't forget. One time he come to look for me and that's it. I don't know. Mommy now work, him for their work. You see me? So my father come now, remember and they have on the short suit where you have like bamboo, you know them bamboo leaf looking Hawaiian looking outfit that my father have on a short suit and he come well bush and look good and excited. Can you know say as a little youth, you know? You always see your mother, so you love your mother, but when you see your father, it's a different level of excitement because you always see my man. Back in my time, I always show love like that. So when you see your daddy, you're glad. Mommy good lad feel jealous and feel saying to me, sir, but and your daddy, you want to sit to because you're sick and not like you when you're sick and you see your family them in the man. You see me? Boom, now my father come there and he come look for that Sunday and he carry dinner for me and we enjoy ourselves and he go back home. Time for the second operation go on now. You see me? But before the operation, they jump off, you know. Meet some different personality. Remember, meet the sick youth from the hospital. Them time I never know what anorexia was. Me just know that the youth look mager. Look youth older than me, but me I tell you, so me look mager right now. Because I go to Jamaica, I not eat and I lose weight. But I say look you mager, you know. Anorexic, you know, stick man, you know. So as soon as he eat the food, because all I would have the said word, you know. You see me? So as soon as he look you eat the food, me used so bad, but not like him. I tell you how, me used so bad when I dey on the ward. When he meet him food and he done it, he just go in at the one like a sink on the ward. He just go there and push him down in throat and he just bring up back everything. So as son used to eat and bring up back everything. Then he says it's a sickness, you see me? And you're anorexic. And I tell you, say the youth, I be a whole. He come like him basically live there. You see me? And other youth, them I can remember clearly what most of the patients them what they did with me at the time because of the situation. Sometimes so much happen. But one of them things that stay in my memory, remember. I don't know remember my name, not me just remember in condition and know as an adult, I know say in the anorexic and in the what the term you use. Some of the people in the medical field comment the term down below, I remember the term. But yeah, just used to push it down in throat and bring up back everything. So you just stay skinny. You see me I say? Yeah. So remember that you there and my issue I used to do now, because sometimes, especially when I time to go do an operation and I'm hungry, you know what I do? Then put it on drip so you can't eat no food before operation. He's a boy man, me used to just have my little thing where they put the drip on and me I push it through the hospital and I jump on it and I skate through the place in it. You see me I say? Yeah. So I get hungry now, I just turn up so you full up fast because I tell them I'm hungry, but poor me don't know say nah full me, it's like sustain me certain way. So that's my little trouble I used to get and every nurse on the block used to know me and them sitting there, you see me? Because I was always a little outspoken youth. You see me? So now, boom, the second operation come up me in the hospital about 2 weeks now, you know. Remember, you know, I'm a neighbor them. They go so boom and ask me to teach his son to ride bicycle. You know, say, up to this point, I don't see them not once come visit me. And my neighbor at the time used to drive. So the man used to drive, you know, so no excuse I did them could have go so boom at least one. Remember, I'm telling you, my daddy come there one time, come look for me and he have work. And I only beg me teach, you know, pick me up for ride. Remember, you know. So, me no, case and point, me no talk, from them time, me no talk to them people up to the day. And them good like one down feast, me and the man as well, me no talk to them, because I tell you, say the youth, them don't forget. You see me? They don't give me mother $1. Not even a bus fare if you say you come to Kingston, come look for me, and them, I ask, come at me, you know, ask me to teach for them youth to ride bicycle. As a little youth, them think they hurt you. You never see them come visit you not once. You hear me I tell you, my fam? Not once. You see me? Boom now. The second operation forward up, you know. Remember I tell you the first incision was underneath my eye. You see me? And the second one then go up underneath the gum right there. So you go up and take it out. You see me? So you don't know me spend. My first operation was like day 4. And then I burn off and make it heal up a little bit. Then 2 weeks in, then go in again and do it. And then I have to stay there and then watch me for the next 2 weeks. So I run off a month at Kingston. It was the longest. I miss out too much days out of my primary school days and them little thing there. Bag of thing, man. You see me? Get homesick. I know they're in the hospital a month. So God bless her, my mother to come and visit me. But I got to take a walk. I walk and finish the rest of the story. Yeah, man. So Mom used to come and visit me time for me go home, I know. Remember me telling you, know, people them own vehicle and never one. And if you come out of the hospital, they never offer mommy and my daddy and say, listen, we can pick him up at hospital for your bus. Mommy have to take. You see me? But that part there, me I go make mommy drop in that part there, right? That's and then me continue, because I'm at the yard now. Then me continue with the rest of the story. You see me?
Somebody will hospital couldn't manage it, so they stay at home. So me have to live ambulance they send you upon, you know. So when me got town, they say the bone broke under your eye. So me know left front toe now get your stuff them, come back at the hospital. When we come at when we come, you them like me sorry me never them the time the picture never, you couldn't video no cause phone never freaking like no. You have phone in about I don't know camera phone.
No.
I just only could yes and call it chop back and no Nokia. Catch. Some little funny phone and I use chip. In the phone and I use no chip.
So Nokia phone.
Then call it choke catch. So whenever did I know picture, cause I made a picture, I could have show the picture them. So me come out to know you swell, your face did swell, your belly did your belly did swell up. But me never matter. All it have me mind me just want you get better, alright. So we come out town, me have to come out town. Like we used to work at Ingleside with some Jehovah's people. So me have to leave work like 2 o'clock or so. Tell him to me Sunday at town at hospital. So me left work 2 o'clock, come at town. Never know nothing about town at the time. Never used to town. So me have to just step bus and tell them and the doctor would have show me which part we take the taxi if you come at children hospital. And when and he just direct me and tell me so when me I come back must just we hear the taxi them out of the hospital get us a downtown Kingston. So me we go me tell him say me I go take the Mandeville taxi. Mandeville bus. So they say alright. When you reach down there we tell you we show you the Mandeville bus because we come out of the big tree. And now our big tree. You have to go. Forget the something like that. I remember if I the big tree, if I the big tree, up the big tree where you have to go. I think say no. Forget the children hospital taxi them. So when we come back down now, they will say alright, they show you where to walk. I may follow the instruction and me come back and me take the bus and me come back to Mandeville. And me go back to work. Sleep at hospital on the bench because I decide to me nah live. So I left early and I come back and work, do my work. But when father they home, I look after Andre. Nothing Taro the born it, you know. Taro never born it. So you know so your father did it with Tyrone, with Andre. So me have to left from work, come at Kingston, left from town, come back at work. So me have to do it. When you
So
get
how do that?
you spend about a month a week you spend after that town. So when them something there when them decide say them I go them do 2 operation for your eye. So the first one it shows that the bone broke under your eye because I want bicycle that I learn to teach one next door picnic for ride, you know. So the bicycle carry up in at the hair and drop on the ground. So you hear people are say when people dead they lie, no go anyway you did that they lie, no go because the bicycle that ride, you know. Our little boy at told he dead off of the bike, it dead. No, you know, dead off of the bicycle, he dead and the neighbor get it. Some family member and the neighbor son get the bicycle. So you know what teach him to ride the bicycle and I carry up in the ranch up upon the concrete pit. And so comes you get the your bone broke under your eye.
Well, I say no. So
they do
because I could buy a bicycle.
Yeah, because the boy, the little boy already dead. So the next door neighbor son get the bicycle. So anyway, so when them do the second operation and he said them I go do one more. So me said no. Me nah go do no more operation because they must say either your eye fix properly or you cannot fix properly. So me say anyhow, they say me go and no say no blind and me go do one more operation and go spoil up here. So me decide to me nah do no more. So me come home with you. So the doctor say I feel me decision cause and me say me no me say no me nah do no more operation. Now me couldn't do no more panning in the 2 already. And I blind. But when me a come home with it, everybody has said to me, and I bust say, what did the little boy? What did the little boy? And me say, a bicycle in Japan farm brought the one and I. You did turn, you did get, you did, when me say, you did ugly. But me never care, never care about the ugly way you ugly because me don't go and know say me baby alright. So me curve you upon me have you me no hide your face now, but everybody just ask me say, what happened to you little boy? What happened to you little boy?
Ugly picnic girl, pretty picture.
Cause indeed so ugly when you get it because your face swell up. Yes, your face swell up and your eye look funny. So me never really matter about that. Me go and know say me baby alright, me baby alive and well. And he got thanks and me a come with me baby. And you want to see me hug up my baby and nurture my baby like you your baby you nurture you have him and you nurture him. Me no be but when nobody want to say me just want to know say me rock my baby master and I come home with him and you did this until your eye did look funny for a while since you get big you kind of growthy. But me never
kind of look locked down slightly. Why did it look more open down?
Like when you look, cause people always ask me say what happened to age and eye. Cause when you look, they would have see say you look cast, but look so again your growth, Mm-hmm. So you're right, so people out there, me I tell you no anything happen to no pitney in our life, just trust God and believe in God and pray and God will make the impossible become possible. Well, we're hard for we no hard for God. Cause me never know say I did want star me that care come here, but me did just want me never that think about future not time. Me just want to see me pick me come and he alright. If you even come and you never come back round and come back the same, but I love him same way, treat him the same, work, take care of him. But God turned it around and said no. Some people get that they drop, they know and break them bone, them faith, they would have turn out different. Which is when you want choosing person, you love God and God so much effort you push out him and you love him. He might go say no, me I go show you say me a God. So that's why you come so I know turn handicap or invalid. Enough people born alright and drop broke a hand turn cream. Their face mash up, come back to. But thanks be to God. You come back and nobody can tell say you go through that day accident day. No. Nobody can tell. Me I'm sorry say me never have picture. For sure how you did look, but you did full, but me never care. But they just want to know say baby alright. That's it.
Yeah. So see mommy I tell you say how she did feel and what me have to go through and them thing they on the journey. Yeah. So remember when me come home now, man. Me they have this other neighbor like 2 house down. The man and them grew up best friend. You see me film yard, me used to go and watch TV at the only yard. At the time, me they allowed to do sleepover because the man them a virgin. And now they may find out say me and his mother share the same last name, You see me, Gio, big up yourself. And my mom come out of the hospital of a Gio, me stay and we play a game. You know, if you cheer me up as a little youth and you just come from a hospital and you're somewhat sick. You see me? So Gio, yeah, me used to there and we play a game because you know Gio grew up nice, only child for his mother and father in the house and he have everything to in comfort. So over Gio they beat all of the game them and them thing there, you see me? And remember me over there and I play with him in man. At the time I'm pull up my hat and show now I go on. So at the time, when I go so boom now. And when I look, remember I tell you I break the bone right as soon. So when I look, I see doubles, 2 at everything I see now. Even up to this point as an adult, 20 odd years later, I still see doubles. But over the years I learn how to control it. So you can't really tell. So I have the partial disability there. Unless me tell you, so I tell you right now. All it I go through in life, man. All it a story I say, I want to share the people. You see me? But I guess the meaning behind this story, I have to tell some big people, even remind myself, say, yo, don't this youth them. You see me? Sorry, the youth, them are the future, and the youth, them never forget. Imagine me now as a 30-year-old man, full of strength and stamina, start abuse one little youth. See? And my face, I'm high and mighty. Fast forward 20 years later, I'm 50 and now weak. I get weak. You know. That little youth, which was like a 10-year-old to 30-year-old like myself right now, I'm a 50 and him a carry vengeance. He can't do me the worst thing in a life, you know. And he can't be the one to come around and help me. So you have to know what you have to do to the youth them, not because they're young or not go abuse them. That's why I'm telling you, you know, respect down to the baby. You see me give everybody equal respect. Young, old, rich, poor. I don't care, I go give you equal respect until you mess that up. Because no matter how young you be, if you disrespect me, I go put you in your place. No matter how old you be, same thing. You see me? So with that said, no one have to the youth them, you know. Because that's why enough people lose them life. When they all I said, John, no, Master John, Miss Mary did such a good person, you know where they do 20 years ago. So you have to be careful not to do to people, you see me? Because I say, if me that you to bring vengeance in my heart, certain way, can I bring vengeance in them, and I'm not going to lie to you, know. Because I tell you, say, oh, me stay, me show you me all, but once me feel like you diss me, I take me feel that there's no turning back. So them people then diss me, you see me? You're not even help my mother for a bus fare, not even a visit. So from them time, I'm not deal with them. I tell you over 20 years that every day I see them, I remember and grieve my heart youth. I not deal with nobody in the household from that day until today. You see me? Yeah, man. So if they never know now, they know, you know. Because we don't forget. I have to know now about, yeah. So, I go for sure say sometimes in life I go through some difficulties. Don't make that stop, you just keep pushing. And my top right as because I want to show them I have good lighting. What my disability look like. Only time you can tell unless I sit down and you catch me half guard. As I say, I do over my virgin yard and I play video game and a 2 TV screen, I see 2 of everything. That went on for about a month. As a little youth, because I confused me, new to me, I don't know what to do. Before I could understand how to control it. So how I control it is, if you realize, my head always held high. You see me? Because I put my head on a level here, so watch out now. I'm going to put my chin. You know, most people, you would recognize them, but most people, when they look, I saw their head hold down, you know, and they look straight at you. Even on my passport size picture, them I always have to ask. So when I take passport picture, I always have to ask the photographer to kind of go down low a little bit, so that the camera can be one of me. But if you ever depend on a certain level, I have to look up, I can't see, I see. You see me? So let me show you what this looks like. Never put this on camera yet, you know, but we share our journey. Because I tell you, this is for my future generation now. They might have to tell my story, they have to know who me be. So boom now. You saw my face look? You want to see it? See it there now? I go hold on my head and then lift up my eye and show you what I go on. So see me hold on my head like a normal person. I'm still normal, but you get the trick. Normal person, chin, what are they? To that level there. Look up now. You see that? You don't see it, alright? I lift up that out of my face and do it again. So I'm holding my head a little bit more. See that now? What I see? This eye is looking up, but this one, which is the damaged one, can only look straight. I can't move this eye up, I can't move this eye down. I can only move it to the left, and move to the left and to the right. This eye can only be moved side to side, it can't go up and down. You see me? So see it there again? Look. Yeah, you see that? And that's how I used to see double. So right now, my screen there right there, so when I'm screen there up here, so I don't know if so when I'm screen there up here, so I hold it, you know, I touch it and see the real screen right there, so I see doubles to get me forward from. And how I learn how to control that over the years, instead of me keep my head down, so I have to learn for just go so boom. So I see, I look so I see doubles now, I have to just go so until the image just line up. And I saw I have to work it as a little young youth and learn how to see doubles. And you may ask, say, hey John, you know, I'm not go that way, I go back that way. You may say, so, why you never get it fixed? We're poor, we're young and we're poor. And honestly, I'm glad my mother made the choice so she make at the time, because probably would be partially disabled or be fully disabled. And what's disability? When one of your limbs where you're born or something you're born not function properly. You see me? So this not function partially. I could have been a blind man today. You see me? I say so. Me give thanks. When I look back on it, mommy said, no sir. One, we don't have the money. And two, she don't want me go blind. So she tell him say no more operation. Because me I tell her, the operation did me bad. My face. Every day mommy look at me and say, boy, I'll see if me I walk. I say, handsome man, you're sweet, you know, my son. Yeah, man, because I remember what me did look like. My face is literally disfigured as a little youth. Based off of the accident. You see me? May I tell you, so when I look back upon it now, I say, even right now in my age, no matter if the biggest specialist come to me and say they can fix me eye, man. I don't want to fix a part of me and I don't want to trouble it and then I end up blind. Get my forward from? So that is one of many, many stories when I have to share upon this and just tell you. You see me? So we are going to face enough obstacles in our life. As I said, I so many times out of my primary school days because of little ailments. You see me I say? I used to be the sickly one as well, mommy love call me. Because I used to look and skinny and she used to always carry me to a doctor. And doctor said, Leffy boy, you alright. Means I used to my nose used to bleed pan irregular. I see me get up nose and bleed, but I realize now that I'm old, I used to scratch my nose and I see Jamir have the same thing. I used to scratch my nose hard, so with friction, and not get better, then it just bleed and them little thing there. So I know flick a story man for share, but I'm gonna start with the first one, and that was one that's the most outstanding story of my life I can remember as a 8-10-year-old way. Cause I want to share this story in sequential order for me. You see me, I say I don't want it all over the place unless there's something going on, I need to talk about it. But yeah, that is story number one of many. I can write a book, youth, which I will write a book in the future, an autobiography if you may. But in the meantime, we are going to document it. You see me? But yeah, that's my story, how I became partially, what you call it? Yeah, that's how I became partially disabled. You see me, I say so. Don't worry about it, man. You see me with them born and then nice, then on a car say I come never born with it. It was an accident. You see me? But even if me born with it, I have to accept myself feet. So if you're born with a disability, you're not less than nobody, man. Just go and do the right thing, man, and love yourself. You see me? Because I never tell you don't know need I know. And even if me did I want to see you, nothing no wrong. And me still I go love myself and do the right thing. So yo, big up the people, them leave some comment down below. You see me, I say, as I say, don't treat the youth them no way because you never know what them see man I go grow. And if they have vengeance on their heart, chances are they may not be like me when I deal with you, but they can delete you. So no one other to people. You hear me I tell you? Yeah man, and just be a good human being. Because if you're the good people, at least one visitor one drive to say, yo, when me forget medication, nothing like that to not give my mother with poor. And remember, you know, I want to call me on the yard. You can't teach in the picnic. But such is life. We're there out there. And we have to do the right thing. Once again, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I go to the gym right now. Just you want to get that story out, Tony. You see me? Thank you very much for watching. You see, if you love the vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Leave a like on the video and leave some comments down below. Let me know on the story that I think. As I said, Tony, you know, you have to know, you know. Each one teach one, share your story, man. You never know who it may inspire. As me I say, big up the youth them, big up the man them, big up the woman them, big up everybody who subscribe to the thing, and big up my youth them. You see me? Father Adrian have many sons. Have many sons. Father Adrian. Like, comment it, subscribe, and share. So until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
You have to work